quick one today, we'll be talking about row level security in Power BI. So what is row level security? Row level security is a kind of invisible filter that you add to your data. So with row level security, users only see what they're allowed to see at a particular time or in a particular dashboard. So let's say you're a manager for a particular company, or you're a principal for a particular school, and you only want to see the report for a particular class, let's say student in SS3, or you're a manager and you want to see the performance of a particular sales team. You don't want to see everything. So that's where row level security comes in Power BI. This is a form of security that allows users to see what they're allowed to see. So let's see how it is done. In your report, just go to the modeling tab, then from there you go to manage rows. So before I move to this, let me just walk you through my data model. So here from the table view, I have a table for channel, employee, location, product, sales, and target. So let's say I just want to see the report. Remember, I have the full report here. I have the full report for everybody. So based on what I have built here, I just want to see for a particular channel and a particular product. So for my table view, I have channel. Okay, I have channel, sub-channel, government hospital, and I have private hospital and all of them. So for products, I have product class, antibiotics, and anti-malaria. So let's say I just want to see for government hospital and anti-malaria. So I'll go to manage roles. Then I have one I've built here, so I'll do a new one. So I'll call this anti-malaria, or I can just call it anti-malaria, and anti-malaria and sub-channel government hospital. So government hospital. So anti-malaria and government hospital. So now I need to build the security. So for my channel, I have to come to channel and I'm going to click on new. So for my sub channel, I just want to see government hospital. So I want to see data for government hospital. Remember, your spelling has to be correct for it to work. Government hospital, government hospital, government hospital. Then I can add another step, but I don't want to add another step based on this column. I want to add another step based on the product table. So I can add a new one and say if product class equals to anti-malaria. Remember, your spelling has to be correct. Anti-malaria. So here I just have to check it and save it. Then I can go back to the first one to check it and save it. So now I have built a security for I've built a security for anti-malaria and government. So what do I need to do next? I can just close this. Then go to view as. So view as. So I have anti-malaria and government hospital. Then I have for team delta and antibiotics. So let's say I just want to see the report for those people that use anti-malaria drugs and they buy their drugs from government hospitals. So what do I just need to do? I just need to click on this and click OK. So you can see now viewing as anti-malaria and government hospitals. So this report is mainly for anti-malaria drugs that are bought from government hospital. So this is a kind of filter. Like I said, it's an invisible filter, but it does a lot of good job. So you don't have to add some filters by the side. Apart from your normal native filters, you can use this as a level of security So whoever logs in or whoever opens your report or whoever you're trying to show something only sees reports that are related to them or that you want them to see. So I hope you found this as a good one. See you in my next video.